tutorial. How to tune via serial communication using the standalone application of QE. QE for capacitive touch has two versions. One is a plugin version within eSquare Studio, another is a standalone version. In this video, we will show you how to tune via serial communication using the standalone application. The first step is preparation. Firstly, create a target project using IDE tool in advance. IDE tool means Renesas CS+, IAR Embedded Workbench, or etc. excepting eSquare Studio. Then, add and configure modules relating to CTSU, Touch, and SCI using Smart Configurator. Please refer to each application note about how to configure them. After setting the project, select a folder that contains the target project on the standalone application. Input a name of the target MCU. If you don't know the exact name of your using MCU, click this button to show a helper dialog box. The second step is configuration. We skip an explanation how to create a touch interface configuration in this video, because the operation is the same as when used the plugin of QE tool. Click this button to output tentative files required for tune. When you output the files for the first time, a message dialog box will be shown. You need to operate IDE tool following instructions in the dialog box. Launch IDE tool and open the target project. Then, perform some operations. Configure the compiler settings. Add QE_touch_ configuration to define preprocessor symbol option. Add a path of the folder where you output the files to include directories option. Implement a process to call the main loop for touch in the main function. After completing a series of operations, build the target project. The third step is tuning. For the tuning via serial communication, this is the final step. Start debugging on IDE tool to run an application program on your target system. Click this button to start a tuning process on the standalone application. Both the tuning process and dialog are same as the plugin of QE tool. Finally, click this button to output files after finished the tuning. Be careful not to forget to rebuild the target project on IDE tool. That's all about the operation for the tuning via serial communication.